This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out cruising in our 64 Chevy Biscayne. Cruising about 2,600 RPMs. The speedometer doesn't quite work. Must have something in the gears. Maybe it's in the speedometer head itself, because you can see it's at 10 miles an hour. Fuel gauge works. Nice cruising car, got nice cruising gears in it. Just to head on down the road. Drives great. Gotta hardly even steer it. Goes down the road nice and straight. The only thing, it may need a speedometer head. We'll try to check that out and see what it needs. I can just run by the tach once you're in fourth gear, and so like with my phone, I got a GPS speedometer on it. I'll look at that and see what it's running, and then you know what you're doing. I'm guessing we're doing right about 60 right now. So it's a great driving car. There you see it's coming up to temperature, full gauge, good oil pressure. So, cool car. Good looking car. This is one that's good enough to show. Not 100% perfect on the interior. A couple minor flaws. Carpet would be the one thing. And then one door panel over there. But not too many flaws on it. So, if you're looking for a sleeper type car, give me a call. 605-695-7391.